Now we're going to open up our standard universal cylinder repair kit. First, it comes with detailed instructions of the repair process. It also includes parts diagrams. It includes one wear ring, a wiper guide seal, snap ring, cylinder pad O-ring, an additional cylinder pad O-ring, a wiper guide seal, snap ring, piston head seal, piston head O-ring, male hydraulic quick coupler, and 1/4-inch hex nipple. Now, because this is a universal cylinder repair kit, for this particular style cylinder, these pieces will be extra, and we'll use these to perform this repair. First, you'll want to remove your cylinder pad O-ring. Set that aside. And you'll want to make sure when you're reassembling you have good clean parts. So at this point you'll clean it and inspect for any damage. We'll take our 3/4-inch socket and remove the quick coupler. Set that aside. Now we'll remove the hex nipple. After that, and we're sure we have a good clean part, we'll take our new O-ring from the repair kit, install it into the cylinder pad, take our white industrial grease, lubricate the O-ring, silver grade anti-seize, apply that to the threads of the cylinder pad. Now we'll need our new 1/4-inch hex nipple and male hydraulic quick coupler. And for this we'll use a thread sealant. Apply a small amount. Then to the other end. Install that back into the cylinder pad. And tighten it back into place with the 3/4-inch socket. When I tighten that, I tighten both pieces all at the same time. Now, we'll need to replace the pieces on our piston head. For that, you'll need your 15/16 socket. Remove the piston head bolt. And the washers. Pull your old piston head seal off. Pop off your old wear ring. And again, make sure you have good clean parts before reassembly. Now, we'll install our new wear ring. We're slipping it over the top of the piston head. New piston head seal from the kit. And reinstall our piston head bolt and washers. Tighten that back down. Then we'll take our cylinder barrel, clean the threads, the inside of the barrel, make sure that's clean. Check it for any scratches or damage. Take our snap ring pliers, remove the wiper guide seal snap ring, set that aside. The wiper seal, take our new wiper seal from the kit, install that. Our new snap ring from the kit, and reinstall that into the snap ring groove. At this point, all of your new pieces from your repair kit are installed, and you would continue with regular cylinder assembly.